Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem I'm going to be attempting today is number 3079, find the sum of encrypted integers. So it says here, you're given an integer array nums which contains positive integers. We define a function encrypt such that encrypt x replaces every digit in x with the largest digit in x. For example, 523 is equal to 555, and encrypt 213 equals 333. Okay, so you can see here nums 1, 2, 3. The encrypted elements are 1, 2, 3. The sum of this is 1, 2, 3. Okay. And here you can see 1, 0, 2, 1, 3, 1. So we do 11 plus 22 plus 33. The sum is 11 plus 22 plus 33, which is 66. Constraints, the length of numbers, so the amount of numbers is between 1 and 50, and each number is between 1 and 1000. So I'm going to go over to my notes here, just write down any ideas. So the first thing I think we need to do is iterate over the numbers. And then for each number, what we're going to do is turn it into a string, iterate over the string, or yeah, and find the max digit. Set the number to the max digit repeated for the length of the string, and then what we're going to do is once we've done all of that, we're going to sum up the array. So let's take that. Don't know how clear that was to whoever's watching, but I'm going to try implementing what I've just said here. So what we're going to do is we've got this num. So for num in nums, what we're going to do is turn num into a string. So str num is equal to str num. Then we're going to do iterate over the string and find the max digit. So for digit in str underscore num, what we're going to do, we're going to find the max digit. So we're going to do right here, we're going to say max digit is equal to 0, and then we're going to say the digit, an integer, is greater than max underscore digit. Then we're going to say max underscore digit is equal to digit. And this should be digit in here. And this is casted to an integer. So we've got the max digit here. And then what we're going to say is we'll have to add it to another list. We'll say like, right, let's call it output. We'll do put dot, and we're going to append the max digit casted to an integer times the length of 10 times the length of strnum. So we take max digit. This should be, oh no, we should keep this as a string for now. So we do max digit times the length of this, all casted to an integer. And then we return the sum of output. Invalid syntax. By strnum is equal to, okay, we don't need a colon there, that's fine. This was never closed. What's next? I'm running too many. Okay, this is not supported because what's a string? Max digit is not a string. If wait, this is not supported between int and string. If digit, which is a string, cast to an integer is greater than this. What would cast this to an integer as well? Do we have to do that for some reason? Okay, so let's hit submit now. Perfect, accepted. So, thank you very much for watching the video. Hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please leave a comment. Maybe you had some solution that was a bit more different, or it was, simpler or efficient. Either way, leave a comment. Love discussing these problems and their solutions. So yeah, thank you once again for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.